So hello guys, hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can create a Facebook shop. I made a previous video on how you can create a Facebook business page, which is SEO optimized, and it would help you on around $15 to $20. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure to watch that video. I'll be linking that video in the description box as well as at the end of this whole video. So without any further ado, let's start with today's video. So you can see over here I am on people per hour, and I'm here to show you guys that how much you can earn by creating a Facebook shop. So you can see over here that it cost around $30. So let me just open it in another tab, and till then let us move on to another project so that we can see another price rate. So you can see over here that this person is creating a Facebook business page and a shop in $30. So you can actually watch that video. I have made a detailed video on how to create a Facebook business page. I'll link in the description box, so make sure to watch that video before you watch this video. So you can see over here that he'll upload 30 products, and for that he'll charge around $30. And creating a Facebook page, Facebook shop is really very simple. You can create it in within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. And to add the products, the images will be provided by your client itself. And in case he doesn't provide you the image, then you can remove the background of the image and charge him even more. So you can see that extra charge was charged. So let us move on to Fiverr and see what are the charges over there. So basically, I'll write it down that create a Facebook shop. So you can see that $15 is the basic charge, average charge that is being charged by the freelancers. And you can also see that some are doing it for $5 also, $5 also. So you can basically go and bid over people per hour so that you can get more, and you can even try it over here. You can also see that there are around 5,200 services available. So let me just try it Facebook shop and show you guys. So you can see that the amount of services that are available is reduced. So you can also watch a video on how to optimize the description, title tag, and how to search for the tags in a video that I have already made. I'll make sure to link it in the description box so that you can watch it and you can compete and make yourself rank on the first page. So basically this is just a dummy page that I have created, and so before starting on to the steps on how to create a Facebook page, let me give you a brief introduction of what it actually is and why you should go for a Facebook shop. So Facebook shop allows you to make a shop on Facebook, and it also allows you to link it to your own shop. That is, if you are selling any products on your website, then it allows you to link that along with the Facebook shop. So by the end of this video, you will be able to successfully set up a Facebook shop, connect your shop with a website, and finally, I'll also teach you guys how to create a Facebook catalog. So coming on to the question, that is why you should set up a Facebook shop. So there is a huge audience on Facebook, and it can lead to increase in sales of your product and brand awareness. Secondly, promoting your products on Facebook would be even easier if you already have a shop over there. And thirdly, there are unlimited features, you can feature unlimited products. So basically these are the advantages. Also, you can organize your products into categories and different sections so that you can promote that particular category or section. People can directly ask you questions by messaging you on Messenger. So this is one of the biggest advantages of Facebook shop. So let us start with the process. So first, you need to add the Facebook shop option on your left hand side menu. So for that, you are going to go to settings, and then you are going to go to templates and tabs. After you reach here, you're going to add a tab, and then add shop tab. So you can see over here that the shop tab is added to the very last part of the page. Now you can hover over it, pull it up in case you want it to be placed before any particular menu or section, and then you can go to settings and turn the shop on. So it is already on. Over here you can see that this is the link. If you want to share your shop on any other platform or with anyone else, you can use this link to do so. And let us click on save, and then now let us go to the page. So you can see over here that we have the shop menu placed on the very left hand side. So let us go to shop. We need to agree the terms and conditions over here. So I agree to the seller's terms and policy, and then click on continue. And then over here you can see the checkout method. So this will allow the people to send you messages and ask you questions and arrange the purchase. For example, you can directly send them from your store itself if they provide you the address, as well as if they pay you online, or it may be according to your policy, or you want that the client should be directed to another website on which you are already selling the products. So let us go for message to buy for now, and then click on continue. Now setting up your shop. So you need to select the currency in which you want to set up the shop. Let us take it as Indian rupee only, and then click on save. Now that you are done with the shop settings, we are going to describe what Tech Essence exactly sells. So for now, let us write anything random text. Also, make sure to write and include your keywords over here so that it can help you in SEO purpose, as well as make it clear in your mind that you just need to use 200 characters for writing the whole description, as well as it should include your keywords, and it should be a precise description about what you are exactly going to sell, and then click on save changes. Now we are moving on to the second part of the video, that is to add the product. So click on add product. Now you can select the photos of your product or add videos, and you can also take a look at the recommended photo guidelines for tips on making your product images to look even more good on Facebook. Then you are going to name it, then write the price, the description, and in case this product is on sale, you can write the original price. For example, let us say 200 rupees, and the sale price, that is 150 rupees, so that it would be written over there that it's not for 200. The 200 price would be striked off, and 150 would be written over there. As well as you can write the description. You can also check in this button to share this product on your page. So this product will be automatically posted to your page's timeline as soon as it is approved. Okay, and then you can write that whether it is in stock or it is out of stock. Then visibility, should it be public or unpublished? So basically it would be unpublished if you are unsure of whether you are done with all the changes or not, after which you can make it public. Then it is condition selector, whether it is new, it is used fairly, used good, or it's used new like, or something like that. And then you're gonna add the product. So let me just add in some random dummy photos for now. So we are gonna name it anything randomly, and I'm gonna do add product. So you can get a message that you have just added your first product. So you can see over here that our first product is added. Similarly, you can go on adding the product. So as I'm going to show you how to categorize them, so I'll make sure to add three more products so that I can show you guys by making different categories. Now that we have three products listed, let us create a collection. So basically, you add a collection to organize your products and make it easier for your customers to browse it. So let us go to add collection, and we need to first write our collection name. So let us write it as product X. Just name it as, it can be food items maybe. And then whether you want the visibility to be public or unpublished, and whether you want to feature this collection. So you can feature a collection to make it stand out in your shop, so it will be appearing on the very top of all the products. So let me do this so that you get an idea of how the featured collection would look like. So also, featured collection would show larger product images and would appear on the top of the section, so that you can only have also you can only have one featured collection at a time. So let us do this. Add. Okay, so we need to add the product. After you name the collection, you are gonna add the products into it. So let us go for this. Two products are in tech, and then save. So basically this is our first collection, and let me write this to be something hardware maybe, and add products to it. So hardware has this product, add the product, and then do save. So here you can see that you have two collections. That is, first one is the tech, the second one is the featured products. Okay, and the third one is the hardware. Okay, so you have these three collections. So also, so these are some of the features that are provided by Facebook Shop. So you can tag up to 30 products and links. You can also tag products on your Facebook post, as well as shop for you can also shop for the products through tags. All, as well as your customers will be able to shop for the products through the tags also. And let us move on to another thing about Facebook Shop, that is the payment. So you can set up payment for Facebook Shop, but this is currently only available in US. And also there is a way in which you can directly integrate the existing product on your e-commerce website with your Facebook page. In case you want me to make a separate video on it, let me know in the description box. So by doing this, you won't have the hustle of manually adding the products one by one, but you can directly link all the products that you have on your website over here. Also, in simple terms, all the products on your website shall be automatically uploaded in Facebook Shop. Also, let me explain you why you need Facebook catalog. So creating a Facebook catalog can help you segregate the products you want to promote, and this will lead to proper utilization of your budget, and there will be less wastage of your budget. And this is it for today's video. I Okay, so let us summarize what we have learned in today's video. So basically, in start, we just saw the pricing and how much the people cost for providing this service on two different platforms, that was people per hour as well as Fiverr. And then we moved on to the introduction part, where I taught you guys what is exactly Facebook Shop, and I also told you guys why you require a Facebook shop. Then we moved on to the process, that what are the advantages of having a Facebook shop, and then we started with the process. After we completed the process, we discussed about Facebook shop tag products and Facebook shop payment method. I also told you guys that there is a direct way in which you can integrate your existing products on your e-commerce website with your Facebook page, and I shall make a video on the same. And finally, we discussed about creating the advantages of creating catalog. So this was it for today's video. I hope it was very useful for you, and in case you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply to you, as well as let me know if you want me to make video on any particular topic. I shall be happily making video on that also. So thank you guys for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you already have subscribed to my channel, I would thank you again for that.